In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new client request form. So as you can see on your dashboard, this is where you will see how many new client requests you are receiving from that digital form. And to do that, you can either access the form through this button in this section of the dashboard where you can click on it, which will open up that client request section. Or what you would do is navigate to your settings, which would open up your settings options, and then click on the client request tab. So from here, you can see that we have the client request form link where you can go ahead and copy that link and add it into a new window where you can preview what that form looks like for new client requests. And you can also go ahead and edit that form as well. So if you click on the edit request form, you are able to then go ahead and edit the form title and select what options are mandatory and what options you want required, or if you want to hide any options as well. Once you finish editing that form the way you like, you can click on submit, which will then update that form and save it. To use this client request link, you can either embed this link either into your Instagram page, on your website, into a website button, however you want to get new clients to complete that form. All you have to do is copy the link and add it wherever you would like. Once you get a new client request, for example, we have Janice Jones who wants to work with us. We can click on that client and see any additional information that they want to provide. And if we want to confirm this client, all we're going to do is click on this green check mark, and that client will be added directly to the client roster. Or if we are going to deny care to this client because, for example, we are on a wait list or we don't have the capacity at this time, we do recommend just sending the client a quick email outlining why you are unable to take them on as a client at this time or refer them to another provider. And that is how you go ahead and use the new client request form. For any additional information or a one-on-one help call for the client request form, you can contact our support team.